What would happen if you gave ChatGPT eyes? Welcome to GPT-4, the improved version of ChatGPT that can see. It can understand images, provide information about objects based on visual input, and even create working websites from your hand drawings in just seconds. Microsoft introduced Visual ChatGPT, which allows you to send, receive, and edit images while you are in chat. The excitement doesn't stop here, as GPT-4 has been released, and unlike GPT-3, which was text-based, GPT-4 is multimodal, meaning it can accept and process images and text. OpenAI showcased a demonstration of Visual GPT-4 capabilities in their official video, explaining how GPT-4 can understand images and express logical ideas about them. For example, it can tell us that if the strings in this image were cut, the balloons would fly away. The second demo is where the true magic happens. OpenAI showed how you could draw a picture of a website on a piece of paper, take a photo of it, and send it to GPT-4, asking it to produce a fully functional website. In this case, one featuring jokes. Astonishingly, within just 10 to 20 seconds, GPT-4 generated all the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to bring the website to life. The code was then copied and pasted into an editor, revealing a functional end product. This is insane. Think about all the possibilities. On their website, OpenAI assigned GPT-4 the challenging task of interpreting a joke derived from a series of images. One image featured an iPhone charging with a VGA cable. GPT-4 successfully identified all the components in the image and provided the context of the joke. While this may seem straightforward, such a capability was nearly unheard of in earlier AI iterations. The next example showcases GPT-4's ability to think step by step. Here, it was able to understand a paper and answer a question. There are more examples of this new ability on the website, like the one with a photo of ingredients, where GPT-4 suggests recipes using the ingredients in the photo. GPT-4 can understand images and even point out what's unusual about them, like in this example where it clearly states that the unusual thing about this image is that a man is ironing clothes on an ironing board attached to the roof of a moving taxi. The next example is really exciting. Summarizing text based on visual input. It can even further explain specific parts of the text. GPT-4 can understand what makes certain memes funny and explain it. The bad news is that this capability of GPT-4 is not yet available for the public. Let's hope we can get this AI superpower in our hands very soon. Thanks for watching and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you are excited for the future of AI, you definitely need to watch this video about groundbreaking 3D AI backed by Steven Spielberg himself, which is going to revolutionize video and movie making forever.